Forward crunch, come sit up on an ab bench. Lie in a supine position on an ab bench as shown in the video. Anchor yourself on the bench tightly with your legs. Keep your hands behind your head with elbows close to your body. Flex your spine to your full range and come back to initial position. Exhale through your mouth as you crunch and inhale as you go down. This exercise is called forward crunch. After the spine flexion is complete, if you further move forward, it will involve hip flexor activation as well. Then this exercise is called forward crunch, come sit up.